What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. We have a couple of fundamental things to talk about in this update, and we'll also talk about the technicals, obviously. But yesterday, as you might remember from the update, we had a speech by the chair of the Federal Reserve, Jerome Powell. In the afternoon it was, or at least in the evening, I believe even. I watched it live. It was quite bullish actually, and you can also see that Bitcoin reacted bullish to it. It was basically before that or ahead of the speech. The markets were pretty scared that he would say something about the job event or the job results last week, which showed that at least the United States did not have growing unemployment, but that actually more jobs were being created, so that the economy was actually doing great, even though that inflation is dropping. So that kind of brought about fears with people that he would say something about that, and that maybe they needed to increase the interest rates even more. But that didn't happen. He actually had the same tone and kind of the same narrative as last week with the interest rate decision. So that was bullish. You can also see, I mean, we spiked up. Oh, excuse me. Can I bring that back or not? No, I can't. All right. Well. But like I said, what you also saw with Bitcoin is that we spiked up quite a bit to 23,300. From there, dropped down immediately again. I mean, the news was also a little bit. It was more of a funny press conference kind of instead of an important serious one. But afterwards, I mean, we did gain some more traction in the evening, and that is where we are right now. Yesterday we were at that support level around 22,750, strong support level, and today, or at least in the last couple of hours, we managed to break above our first resistance level, specifically at around 23,180. In my videos, sometimes I call it 23,250, 23,150. I use those kind of interchangeably. Doesn't matter, the precise level is 23,180. We broke above that. And in general, right now, we're just, what I really think is that we're living towards the next big fundamental event, which is coming next week. And that's the inflation rate, which will be on Tuesday, the 14th of February. That will make the market move. And until that time, I think we'll remain bullish, but I also think we'll remain consolidating. So from here, for example, I do think we'll be able to get back up to 23,900 towards that area, since we've also broken above, and that's more of a technical detail, the 28 and the 50 EMA. But I'm not expecting us to, or at least before the days before the inflation rate, I'm not expecting us to break above 23,900, which is in the end still our main resistance level. I'm expecting that next week. I do think that we'll be able to get that next week and get up to 25,000, at least if the results of the inflation rate allow that. But for now, for the upcoming week and for the upcoming 6 days, I think it's a little bit more likely that we'll stay, and that we'll have our bullish days and our bearish days in this moment, in this consolidation between 22,500 and as I said, our main resistance at 23,900. I think we'll stay in this level. We'll have our bullish days, we'll have our bearish days. I will all cover that in my videos. But in the end, I think it's unlikely that we'll break above 23,900 before next week. So I will update you on that, of course, because I do think that right now we're nearing that level again with this bullish breakout we had above 23,180. And when we get to that level, I'll keep covering it, because I could be wrong. Maybe we are able to break above that, but that's something for next update. So for now, this is my Bitcoin update for today. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.